Forgive our hypocrisy, Lord.
Killing our brothers because of envy.
A holy hatred born in the altar.
We kiss with the kiss of Judas, 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 Judas. And then dance, the dance, the dance, dance, the dance, the dance, dance, the dance, the dance. And that's the dance, the dance.
Anesthetized by a god made of clay, educated by the masters of deceit.
We use your name just to win the day.
Trampling the truth underneath our feet.
Our self-righteousness is an absolute crime.
Trading the gospel for the trends of the time.
We judge and condemn to the fires of hell.
Because inside of us is where the demons dwell. Break the hypocrisy now. We are infected by pride. Save my soul.
Kiss of Judas.
Break the pride.
We choose survival instead of prophecy.
Trading the truth just to look polite.
But you know the deep pain inside of me.
Bring back the darkness into your life. Pure vanity. We are infected by pride.
No more fake saints.
Only truth.
Oh, perdón, meu Senhor. Oh, perdón, meu Senhor.